video. Time has finally come. We're finally starting to work on the FC again. I finally managed to order some new parts for it so I can continue working on it. Here is what I received so far. It's a brand new oil cooler radiator with an E-fan, and those are the first packages from Rock Auto. Just radiator hoses. Yeah, some seals for the injectors. And front and rear main seal for the transmission. This I have to clean up and rebuild. It's back there. So like I said, we're finally going back to working on the FC. Sitting here right now. Straight woolen in the sun. We also put Steven's body clubs on it, just to see how it looks. Looks actually pretty sick. Also, sorry that we didn't really post anything the past 2 weeks or something like that, 2.5 weeks. But I've been on a road trip and there wasn't really anything to film, at least car related. I don't think was that interesting or would be interesting for a YouTube video. So I didn't film anything, but we are back now. And before this, I think there's still a video coming from the Altezza that Gabriel and Steven filmed. Because they finally put the Altezza together, the whole manual swap. And they tuned it already in the car runs. It's crazy. We're gonna film another video about it, and yeah, let's keep going. It's so sad because I painted the whole engine bay, cleaned everything up and shit, and it just looks like it's neglected again, just from sitting the whole time over the winter and stuff. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but it's like hella dusty and full of spider webs and stuff like that. Just super dirty. So the first thing I might do before I start working on the engine bay again, putting parts on, is we're gonna clean the whole engine bay up and then we can get to work. What I want to do for now is, like I said, I got the radiator and the oil cooler. Thinking about putting that in already, just so I did something, and I don't know, putting new parts in is cooler than cleaning shit up. Because that's the rest that I have to do. All these parts that are in the shelf here, whole intake manifold, oil pan, engine mount, stuff like that. It's just stuff that I have to clean up, and I don't know, I'd rather put parts on instead of cleaning stuff up. Also got the irons here that I still need to clean up from the outside. The rest is in here from the engine. And I also still need to pick up another housing and another rotor that I already bought. Just need to pick it up at a friend's place. Because that's the reason why the engine got bad. Because one of the apex seals, they broke and then destroyed the rotor and the housing. And gotta fix that. Then still need to buy the rebuild kit. And then I hope next year the car gonna run. Maybe, hopefully. Fingers crossed. But we're gonna find out. Gonna clean up the engine bay now and then get back to you. Just saw, FC is all cleaned up, the engine bay. I mean, it's alright. No, but I'm going to put the parts in now. So something I just realized when I looked at my oil cooler that I bought. It didn't came with those brackets, the OEM brackets that you need, the rusty ones here. So I gotta take these off now from the old oil cooler and clean them up, maybe hit them with some paint so they don't look as crusty as they do right now while the paint dries. Gonna try to fit the radiator. Hope I don't need any other brackets for that. Might do, probably, I don't know. But yeah, that's what the old oil cooler looked like. Like hella disgusting. It was still working, not as leaky. I mean, it was, as you can see, like it was leaking a little bit, but it's still working stuff. It's just mad crusty and was easier to buy a new one than cleaning this one up. Quick update, I'm kind of sad right now because I started to swap these bowls for the oil lines from the old oil cooler into the new one. Just realized the thread is, I don't know why, but it's different. Oh, great. When I try to screw them in, they just get like stuck in a way, kinda. Because the hole itself, the grip of the thread is the same, but yeah, just the spread itself is different from the new oil cooler, and I don't know what to do now. Probably gonna send it back and try to get another one that fits, or maybe they only fucked it up on my end, because the recommendations on Amazon, all of them say the oil cooler fits fine. I don't know, maybe fake recommendations, but who knows, I don't know. But at least on mine it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna stop with the oil cooler for now, put it to the side, maybe set it back. I gotta figure out what to do. And I start with the radiator then. No, it's kind of ass to put the radiator in first, then the oil cooler, because just the way it's mounted. The radiators, it's like right here at the top, and the oil cooler underneath it, so it would be easier to put the oil cooler in first and then the radiator, but it is what it is. Just want to work with this car. I mounted the fan on the radiator itself with those zip ties kind of thingies and springs and stuff. Also painted the brackets that go onto the radiator on the right and the left. They're currently drying up here. Cleaned those up as you guys saw with the wire reel and stuff, then painted them. Now I'm just waiting for them to dry and then we can finally mount the radiator. Also put all the temperature sensors into the radiator. Look who's here.
What's up, my 4 friends?
Why 4?
I don't know, because 4 people watch us.
But are they your friends?
Good point. Well then, hello 4 people that follow us. I have been wanting a body kit for the Z for a while, and I found a good deal and I bought a Origin Labo Vertex style kit for the Z.
Maybe you have seen in the background already. Yeah. I filmed some clips earlier, but it's sitting here.
I forgot his name, shout out.
I also forgot it.
Dude from RX7.
Yeah. Shout out him, because he gave Gabriel a really good price on it.
So I got this bitch on Sunday.
Saturday.
Yeah, we borrowed Justin's dad's pickup truck and we went there. Now we test fitting. There's a slight problem that
because this guy is running the dash bar in the front, and because of that
for some reason these motherfuckers did not think people would be running bash bars with these bumpers. It doesn't really fit now because of the bash bar.
Yeah, but on this side you can probably see it already. Gabriel already cut a bunch.
It's the most straight cuts because the bash bar was supposed to go in here exactly, but fuck it, just gonna make it more, let's say, wide.
Yeah. But I can show you the other side. You gotta cut a lot.
Yeah. Flat thingy here goes inside. It's too long. Can't you see I've grown?
We're getting the
Me when it's cold.
Side skirt is also put on for now. Not even bolted on or so, but yeah.
But it's looking Baba G. For some reason, the bumper seems like it's not centered. See here, the bash bar meets exactly the corner here of this air hole thingy. There's a little bit of a gap. And I think I cut too much here, but fuck it.
Still looking sick. But it's already getting late and the compressor kind of just died.
Yeah, a lot.
It's the next day. I received another package from Rock Auto. It's nothing special. It's a pilot bearing and a sensor for the FC, temperature sensor. And we didn't finish the 350C yesterday because it got too late and the compressor died. Now we had to order another compressor because that bitch just died yesterday out of nowhere. Yesterday, the last thing I did was cleaning up those brackets for the radiator. We're gonna mount them now, then hopefully mount the radiator in the car. Radiator is all mounted up. Hella sick, I love how it looks in there. Still need to get a cooler radiator cap. Radiators in. Finally making progress on this car, feels so good.
Bitch is hot.
Yeah, we just got back from picking up more parts for the FC. And we finished the bumper, slapped the side skirt on. So the seat's looking now. Shit is hella hot. Damn boy. And those are the parts I just picked up. It's Ron new housing. I mean, not new, it's used, but it's in good condition. I also cleaned up both of the irons that I had and just a new rotor. Tomorrow I'm gonna clean the rotor up and the new housing. And then the engine part should be ready to get paint and the seals and shit and rebuild it. Damn.
It's schon sehr hot.
This guy is starting to talk in German now.
Fick dich.
Proper sea owner.
Where the takeover spots at. Thank you for watching. Oof. I know we have said it many times, but now the stickers are coming. We are already printing them. We have 4 different slabs and two different, like, not slabs, but also not die cuts. They're just...
It's kind of like a slab, but...
You will see.
Yeah, exactly.
And, yeah, we will post them up on Instagram. We will have die cuts again. And... yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Wait. Dave Nation trick.